Hello! Today I will show you how to change your character's appearance in Dungeonborne. First, you'll want to go into the character list by tapping F1 or clicking this position right here. Here, you can choose one of your characters to further change or customize and enter character customization. Right here, you can change all you want about your character. To the preset you wish to keep. You can give him some scars, some markings, or some makeup. I suppose that looks good. And when you're done, simply tap Finish. Choose whether to hide your helmet and tap Confirm. You will need to spend 1500 gold to change your character's appearance though. Click Confirm, and there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.